Hello guys, good evening. Today's stock market end of the day analysis. For more update, subscribe to our channel. Index snapshot. The Nifty 50 index up 0.3% to 14,683.50 and the benchmark index Sensex gained 0.1% to 49,201. Some of the sector performance here. Nifty Pharma sector up by 1.76%, Nifty Metal sector up by 1.43%, Nifty Realty sector up by 1.17%, and Nifty Banking sector down by 0.54%, Nifty Media sector down by 0.34%, and Nifty Energy sector ended in negative. Top 5 F&O gainers and losers. Adani Ports giving more weightage to top 5 F&O gainers, followed by SRF, Granules, Adani Enterprises, and Navin Fluoro, where losers are Trent, MGL, UBL, Power Grid, and TVS Motor. Results on 6th April. They are selecting companies based on their market capitalization. As of today, there were no results. Dividend and bonus stocks. Today, Shriram City Union Finance, NACL Industries, and Libas Consumer Product issued their dividend. Some of the stocks yet to issue their dividends on 9th April. Those are all. Roto Pumps Limited issued 1.40 rupees per share. Rama Cosmetics Limited issued 1 rupees per share. Stock splits. Ritika Auto Industries Limited issued in the ratio 10:2. Inland Printers Limited issued in the ratio 2:10. Small note here. If you have to be eligible for this dividend stocks which is yet to be issued on 9th April, you should have purchased these shares Wednesday itself, that is 7th April. Record date is 9th April and ex-dividend date is 7th April. Market information. Today, after a massive sell-off in previous session, benchmark indices ended flat. At close, Sensex was up 42 points and Nifty was up by 45 points. Among sectors, metal and pharma indices rose over 1% each, while some selling saw in the banking sectors. Some of the stock information. Adani Ports, Tata Consumer Products, Asian Paints, JSW Steel, and SBI Life Insurance were the among major gainers on Nifty, while losers are Eicher Motors, Grasim Industries, Power Grid, Axis Bank. Firmer commodity prices globally pushed metal index up 1.4%. JSW Steel climbed 3.9%. Shares of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone rose 12.6% to hit a record high after reporting a jump in cargo. Thanks for watching. For subscribing our channel, click the below link.